This workshop is meant to help y'all land in J1 as smoothly as possible. The jump from Sec 4 to J1 is a difficult jump to make lah.
You know for a fact that application questions require you to have a good grasp of your society. So you need to know trends, regardless of what. So in order for us to write good answers, we need to know all these specific examples for us to substantiate our AQ. This workshop will help you to get the examples necessary in answering, creating a good answer.
There are some limits on the freedom of speech, is the most obvious one, right? That you can't in Singapore just go out and say anything you want. The justification of the death penalty is something that you will cover in the next 2 years. It is generally an essay question that comes out a lot.
Here I'm going to show you some Singaporean examples of how free speech can be both desirable and undesirable. These are just like historical examples that you guys have to pay attention to.
So a big reason why we wanted to have this workshop is these questions will appear and then y'all will be in trouble if you're not able to link it to things that you know about Singapore.